Alright, here this morning with Kristen D. Moss.
Yes, sir.
And we're gonna do a little coyote hunting at a small farm just past Liberty, Illinois. I deer hunted there earlier this fall. Took a nice doe with my bow. And while I was in the stand, a bunch of coyotes lit up all around me, and there's a ton of them in there. I've seen them running around there before, so we're gonna try and go call one in today. It's February the 19th, I think.
Yeah.
And it's the middle of their breeding season, and so we're gonna try some coyote vocals, and we're gonna try and get her done. See you on stand.
A few minutes later, we arrived at our first hunting stand of the day and chose to set up on the south end of the property. Here you'll see an aerial view of the property, and the green marker is where we ended up sitting. We had a nice northwesterly wind at about 10 miles an hour, so sitting on the south side put the wind right in our face. And this little patch of woods and draws is kind of hilly, and the coyotes love to get down in there. Gonna get her done. What? Gonna get her done. Hopefully. Stop him. Stop him. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Did you just drop him?
Huh?
Did you just drop him?
I think I did.
Yeah, he's dead. That boy.
Logan,
That boy.
I didn't have time for my GoPro.
We think we just pulled a double.
Let's go.
Let's go. We think we just pulled another double.
Holy, that first one's got a mangy tail. Holy crap.
They're trying to get on the other one.
Huh?
Hey, they were messing with the decoy, weren't they?
Yeah. I was worried if they came straight out of those woods, if we'd be able to get a shot of them. I backed my scope all the way up. Doggone it. This is so sweet. Did we get that on video?
I hope so.
Oh my gosh. I was right on that second one. Did you see him fall?
I saw him fall. He's sitting over there.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think I got the shot on that one.
Holy cow.
Put the Foxborough shockwave to work. Yeah. Woo-hoo. That sucker is mangy. go look for the second one. I don't think I got the shot on video, but he was running away and he wouldn't stop, and I think Christian rolled him. Saw him over here flopping around. I'll be back with you in a minute.
Hot.
Hey, we were on stand about
10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
We're not even keeping that mangy one, are we?
Well, we're gonna take it somewhere and dump it. I don't want to dump it here.
Yeah. I see a nice ditch right there.
We did just get ourselves doubled. Christian absolutely rolled this thing. This one's bleeding a little bit.
Holy cow, that's a hind quarter shot.
I think he might be a...
This is a runt.
Yeah, he might be this year's pup.
This is a small dog competition.
Small dog heaven.
Oh my gosh. I hit him in the butt running away.
Oh boy.
There's some intestines.
Oh.
Wow.
Your discretion is advised. Alright, so this morning we came out here. We made a quick setup. This is actually on a farm we have permission to hunt just outside Liberty, Illinois. And we pulled a double. We got a really mangy one with a mangy tail. That's a male. This other one, not sure about it. It's probably a female. I'm assuming it was a female. Its intestines seem to be blown out of its body. So we're both shooting 243, 75 grain VMAX hand loads. He's running a little bit more powder than I am. They're both Savage 243s. He's running 44.2 grains of Hodgdon H380. I'm running 43 grains even, and we've been putting in work on the range, and we know our scope dope and stuff like that. So
Great hunt.
yeah.
They came in about after 10 minutes on stand, and they both ran in, and they were kind of playing with the call, and then got a shot on the first one, the bigger one, and then the second one, he took off, and he was barking at him, trying to get him to stop, but we ended up getting him at like 170 on the run, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and well, we came in here, what time is it? It's 7:22 right now. We started stand at about 6:58, I think, and we started with some female yodel howls, and played that through twice, and we set for about 5 minutes, and then played female coyote submissive, and played that through, and then we sat there a couple minutes, and then I have a Fox Pro Shockwave, and we actually played baby cottontail and turned the decoy on, and they came up and they were gonna get the decoy. They wanted some dinner. So yeah, it was a fun hunt. Yep.
Awesome.
All right. Well, see you guys on the next stand.